Hi, I'm Marty Sexton. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your PC, tablet, or smartphone screen using Miracast to Polycom panel connected monitors. Windows 8.1 and 10 support native Miracast. To share your screen with Polycom panel, select the Action Center menu. Hit Connect. Choose Polycom panel. Enter the secure PIN code shown on the display. Select Connect. Once connected, your screen will be immediately shown on the panel-connected monitor. Thank you, and please join me again for more informational videos on Polycom panel.